Welcome to the installation guide for the AquaTru On-Wall Bi-Level Bubbler with Bottle Filler. In this video, we will walk you through each step of the installation process. Please note, for the product warranty to apply, this product must be installed by a licensed plumber. Let's begin by reviewing the package contents. Your package should include the following: 1. Assembled bubbler and bottle filler main unit. 2. Mounting brackets. 3. Drain tube. 4. Manual. 5. The ATWL FEL chlorine and lead filter. 6. Shell bubbler unit. Before starting, ensure all components are present. Before installation, shut off the water supply and the electrical breaker. Review the manual and prepare the necessary tools for the job. Make sure you have power drill, long reach T20 driver, level, tape measure, adjustable pliers and wrench, hacksaw. Additionally, you'll need these components, which are not included in the box: lag screws or wall anchors, flat washers, a P-trap with 1 1/4 inch inlet, quarter-turn shut-off valve with angle 3/8 inch outlet, flexible 3/8 inch tubing and tubing unions. Start the installation by mounting the hanger brackets. Using the measurements provided in the manual, mark the location for the first bracket, most commonly at 43.5 inches for the refrigerant side. Prepare the wall for mounting by ensuring the appropriate anchor types are in place. Hang the bracket, confirm its level, and mark the mounting holes. Then remove the bracket and install all necessary wall anchors. Now, move on to the second hanger bracket. Measure 18.5 inches left from the center of the first bracket to find the center line for the second. Use the recommended bracket height mark and prepare the wall for the second bracket installation, ensuring everything is level. Install all necessary anchors and securely attach the second bracket. Mounting the unit. Next, hang the refrigerant side of the unit on the right, followed by the non-refrigerated unit on the left. Remove the front panels of both units and attach them to the wall using the 7/16 inch wall anchor points. There will be 2 anchors on each side. Once secure, you're ready to make the water and electrical connections. Now, let's connect the water supply. Attach the 3/8 inch water line to the inlet solenoid in the main refrigerated unit. Then, locate the tubes connected to the white filter manifold in the left unit. Connect the 3/8 inch fitting to the evaporator tank and the 1/4 inch tube to the pressure reducer. For the electrical connections, connect the cables from the shell unit and bottle dispenser to the main control board. Make sure the larger connector links the bottle filler to the control board and the smaller connector links the shell unit to the main system. Next, install the drain tubes. Start by attaching the vertical tailpieces, then connect the horizontal piece to the P-trap. Ensure all 3 water outlets connect properly to the T-junctions near the compressor and tank. It doesn't matter which outlet goes where. Ensure 1 tube is routed to the bottle filler and 1 to each bubbler. Now, let's install the chlorine and lead filter. First, plug in the power cord to the wall outlet. Remove the filter from its packaging, remove the yellow sticker from the filter manifold, and insert the filter into the manifold. Twist it until the arrows align. Turn on the water supply and check for leaks. Dispense water until the bottle counter reads 20 and check for leaks again. Lastly, adjust the bubbler flow. Behind the front panel of each bubbler, you'll find the variable flow valve. Turn left to increase the flow or right to decrease it. Adjust the stream height to approximately 4 inches above the basin. Once adjustments are complete, reinstall the front covers and secure them with the screws. Your AquaTru Pro On-Wall Bi-Level Bubbler with Bottle Filler is now installed and ready for use. Enjoy clean, filtered water and environmentally friendly hydration solutions. For more information or assistance, visit our website at aquatrupro.com.